Alright, so basically Bechlo, helps you to sell products जो कि आपके घर में हैं. Like for example, things that I wanted to sell, they've helped me a lot in that. And if you are also looking for cheaper things, there are a lot of pre-loved items जो हम दूसरों के पास होते हैं, जो हम अगर किसी और के लिए तो वो हमारे लिए तो नहीं होते हैं. And I think कि हम इतना ज़्यादा फास्ट फैशन को जो है वो प्रमोट नहीं करना चाहिए. And so they have this eyes making noise. Right. So thank you so much, Bechlo. You guys can definitely check out their page. I go through it a lot. You can find some really nice stuff on it. Other than clothes, other than wanting to sell clothes, you can buy things from there. You can buy new things from there. I absolutely love this set, and I'm gonna be sharing things जो कि मेरे इसमें से favorite pages हैं, because it's definitely very unique. So thank you so much for Bechlo for sending us this.